Hello, in this short video I am going to show you how to have a little fun with Microsoft Word, and it's a way to express your creativity, and it's really simple and easy and fast. What I'm talking about are page borders. Now, as you can see in this example that I've got on the screen here, I'm inviting somebody to a luau, and I have tropical palm trees all around on page borders. So maybe I want to invite somebody to be my Valentine, and here I have hearts as a page border. Or maybe I'm in the Christmas mood and I'm starting a Christmas letter or a Christmas card. I have Christmas trees. Maybe I want pumpkins and I have a happy Halloween, or maybe I just have a happy birthday. And in this case, notice I have balloons. And once you add these page borders, the happy birthday in this case is not text, it's word art, but you can add pictures as well. But the page borders are a way to start your creativity. So let me show you how easy this is, because it is really, really simple. So let's assume in this case that I'm in the mood for a holiday. Happen to be recording this very close to Thanksgiving, but I couldn't find any Thanksgiving page borders, and that's one of the limitations with what I'm about to show you here. You are limited to the pictures or the images that Microsoft Word has. Now, as they do updates, I notice that list is kind of growing a little bit, but let's go ahead and get started. So here I have a blank page. The first thing I want to do is I want to check the layout, and I want to be able to have plenty of room to write, and the borders on the outside. So I'm going to go to layout. I'm going to make sure that my margins are set to normal. That gives me 1-inch margins for text, and that allows me to put the page border around the edges, and that will still print, of course, unless you have a really bad old printer. Okay, I find the page border in the Design tab. So I go into the Design tab, and at the far right here, I'm going to see page borders. So I'll click on page borders, and I could make some very simple basic page borders with lines, and I could add 3D and shadow, but you can even change the color there. But what I'm excited about as far as creativity is the art. So I'm going to click the drop down list here, and I'm just going to show you a little bit of what's here. So I have some apples and some cupcakes. We have some champagne bottles. We have some Christmas trees, 2 versions of Christmas trees, palm trees. We scroll down the list here. Again, it's a very large list, but again, we are limited to the list that's here. We have some bugs, ladybugs. You can even find some black and white ones once you scroll all the way down. That's where I found the pumpkins a minute ago for the image that I showed you earlier. So let's assume that I'm in the mood for holiday, and rather than a Christmas tree, I think I'm going to use a poinsettia, because there's a really nice poinsettia image in here as well. So I scroll down past the bugs, and here I find a poinsettia. Okay, I'll click OK, and there I am. Now from here, again, like I mentioned, you can do just about anything you want here. I can change the font here. I can change the color. Let's make it more of a Christmas green here, and we'll center it, and we'll make it large. And we'll just go ahead and type here. Oops, I want to center, and we'll just type Merry Christmas. All right, it's that easy. Hopefully you can have some fun with this. If you enjoyed this short video, please consider liking it. Please consider subscribing to my channel. I have lots of additional Word tips and Microsoft Office in general, and I also have a lot of a lot of resources on my website, luthermaddy.com. So thank you very much, and we'll see you in the next video.